Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this American chop suey. And this is a beautiful recipe. It's very tangy, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's got a lot of flavors in it. So you have crispy noodles, then a sauce going in it, and it's going to taste absolutely wonderful. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how to make American chop suey. For that I have taken some boiled noodles. So I had taken about 400 grams of noodles and boiled it. And now to this boiled noodles, which is in room temperature, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm going to coat the noodles well with the corn flour. So once you're done coating the corn flour to the noodles, let's fry them in oil. So here I have heated up some oil, and to this I'm going to add the noodles. So after adding the noodles, we're gonna fry this on both the sides until we get a golden brown color, or you can also keep it light brown in color. The choice is yours. So I have fried my noodles in golden brown in color. So let's take this out on a kitchen napkin. Now let's move on to making the sauce for the noodles. For that, here I have a sauce pot to which I'm going to add about 400 grams of tomato ketchup, which is about 2 cups of tomato ketchup. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Next I'm adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour powder and about 3 to 4 cups of water. After adding the water, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of white vinegar. So next I'm going to add a pinch of sugar just to balance all the flavors. Once all these ingredients are added, let's just whisk all of them together. And only after combining all the ingredients, I'm going to switch on my gas. And now let me whisk once again, and we'll bring this to a boil. Now to this I'm going to add some chili sauce. So I had already made a video on how to make chili sauce at home, so the link for which will be in the description box below. You can go check it out and learn to make this chili sauce. So I've added about 2 teaspoons of that chili sauce. Next I'm going to add some pepper powder. So you can add pepper powder depending on your spice preferences. And we're not adding salt because the ketchup already has salt. And as you can see, my sauce is beautifully thickened, and it's got a beautiful glossy color as well. So let's switch off the flame and keep this aside. And now moving on to the vegetables, I have a wok which I have heated, to which I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now for the vegetables, I have some cabbage, green capsicum, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers and carrots, all thinly sliced. So the quantity for all the ingredients will be in the description box below. So first let me saute the cabbage. Add the cabbage first to the wok. Saute them for a few seconds. Now let's move on by adding the other vegetables into the wok. And let's saute all of them together for a few seconds. Now let's add some salt to taste. Remember to add little salt because the ketchup already has a lot of salt. And now I'm adding some pepper and Let's saute all of them once again just to mix the salt and pepper well. So here I have some boiled babycorn which I have cut lengthwise into quarters. I'm going to add these also into the wok. Along with this, I'm going to add some thinly sliced pineapple. Yes, you heard me right, I'm adding pineapple because this will give a little sweetness to it and it's going to taste really good. So as you can see, the vegetables have started to let out its water, and we'll saute this just for a few more seconds until the water is evaporated. Once this is done, now let's add the tomato sauce which we had prepared previously. We'll pour that into the wok which has all the sauteed vegetables, and we'll give this all a good mix. Now I'm going to simmer the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you can adjust the consistency by adding more water if you want. After about 3 to 4 minutes of simmering, our sauce is ready to be served on top of the fried noodles which we had prepared. Take the crispy fried noodles on a bowl or a plate. So the noodles which I have here is not made golden brown in color. You can also fry the noodles like this, and on top of this I'm going to add our prepared sauce. So you can put the sauce depending on how much you would like. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to put your views in the comment section below and share this with all the people you know. Thank you for watching.